All right, everybody, Living in a Bubble sent me this beautiful back seat storage container. I want you to take a look at this thing. I just recently installed it and it is amazing. Look at this thing. It's got everything you need right here on your back seat. You've got a nice storage container here. And look at this. This is a magnetized, I want to say, shower bag, bathroom bag, or whatever bag you need it to be. It's full enough to put all of your personal care items in. And this thing is so cool. And watch this. Boom. Come on now. This is a great storage container. I think you can probably put water bottles in here. And this is pretty big, and look at that, it tightens right down too. Look at this, you've got a place for your keys. So let's let's test that out. Let's put some keys on there and see what happens. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then you've got this nice big container down here for other storage. You've got a front pocket that's Velcroed, and then this thing just opens right up and gives you a ton of space. Look at that space in there. There's wonderful things about this back of seat storage solution. And I want to tell you guys something. This thing is durable, man. This is tough. This was quality. It was made really to last. And I'm going to tell you, to take a beating. I mean, this thing is really unbelievable. Let's take a look from down here and look at this. Oh my gosh. Again, this storage container is huge. Beautiful. I'm going to use this in my van every single day. And you know what? If you're in the van life, you need this storage solution for the back of your seat as well. Amazing, wonderful storage solution. This is a storage solution that is awesome. Thanks, Living in a Bubble. You guys outdid yourself again.